Today we're making spaghetti meatballs. This is a favorite in my household and is an easy to follow recipe. Let's get into it. In a hot pot, you want to add a little oil to brown off your meatballs. I'm using this store-bought meatballs. You can get it from your local store or you can make yours at home. If you want a recipe for meatballs, drop me a comment and I'll show you how to do that. You don't want to cook it all the way through. You just want to sear the outside of it so it doesn't lose its shape. You're just going to flip it around gently. As it's cooking, it's also going to render some of the fat content it has, and when it's done, you're just going to take it out of the pot and put it on a paper towel. In the same pot, you want to add your onion, and you just want to cook this for about 2 minutes to release all the flavor, and then you add garlic, ginger, and some pepper. Cook that for about 1 minute, and you want to add a tin of chopped tomatoes. You can use fresh tomatoes if you want to. I will add some paprika to it, and I will also add some seasoning powder just to build that flavor in our tomato sauce. I will stir this around, cover it, and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. And now it's time to reintroduce those meatballs. You want to add it one at a time so it doesn't lose shape, and just turn it around like this and let it cook slowly. Guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, this is the time to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, leave me a comment. It encourages me so much. Now we'll go over to making our pasta. I'm going to boil some water. This is the container I use to store my spaghetti. It's very good, it's very handy. I'll leave a link in the description box. I will add some salt to my pasta, and then I'll put in my pasta. Do not break your spaghetti, the Italians will come for you. I will check on my stew. My stew is ready now. I'm just going to add one more ingredient, which is the mixed herb. I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of that and just spread it around in our tomato base. And I'll turn off the heat. Now our pasta is ready, and it's time to just combine it with that stew. Just a little of the stew, and I will turn that tomato sauce into the pasta just to let that flavor incorporate. I will serve my spaghetti meatballs with additional tomato sauce on top of it, and look how yummy that is looking. If you've enjoyed this recipe, give me a like, drop a comment, and most of all, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.